Hi, my name is Sonia Surley with Walker Consultants. We're here 550 feet up in the air at Harbor Point. I'm overseeing a roofing replacement project. As the project manager, I've been working with the building for the past 2 years now, coming up with a plan for this roof.
We had some reports of water infiltration and made repairs. And shortly thereafter, we noticed that there was additional water infiltration and we were concerned. We then engaged Walker to conduct infrared imaging and to do some inspections there, and found that there was substantial water under the roofing material.
During the course of that investigation, we actually found what they thought was a 10-year-old roof was actually a 10-year-old roof on top of a 30-year-old roof. So that's when we made the recommendation to replace the roof.
Walker assisted us in documenting early on, doing the investigation, developing the bid specs, actually bidding the project. Then contractors were selected. Walker also participated in all of the interviews with the contractors. And then they actually participated in all of the pre-construction meetings. They did the site visits. They were really with us every step of the way.
So we are out here today performing a construction site visit. We walk the roof with the contractor, with the owner, with the manufacturer, and work as a team to come up with solutions for any issues that may arise. Just to make sure that the roofing materials are being installed per our contract documents. That includes all the roof drains, penetrations, flashings.
Our consultant from Walker was very proactive to address conditions that came up in the field and to work with the contractor to develop solutions. Another thing I think that was really important and really valuable in the process was that Walker helped to educate our staff, including myself as the manager. We had a team of 3 engineers who all learned a lot from this process as well. The entire time, it was really easy to work on this project with the board because we were armed with really good information.
With the involvement of an engineer or architect such as myself, you get the benefit of having a third-party opinion, not just the contractor and manufacturer coming up with the solution. When the roof project is done, they will have obviously a brand new roof, but it will have a 30-year warranty that's backed by the manufacturer.
It was really a great project to work on. It was very well organized, very well documented, all the things that you want to see in a great project. But based on the experience that I've had for this project and also working with members of the Walker team for other investigative projects, I would highly recommend them and I would look forward to working with them for future projects.